Hey guys, welcome back. We were in North Carolina, Blowing Rock, North Carolina, at Tweetsie Railroad, and we're going to be riding this ghost train. I wanted to bring this to you as a Halloween special. I hope you enjoy your time here. This ghost train is about to depart. We'll be on the train later. Right now, it's leaving, so let's watch it leave, and we'll show you all around Tweetsie Railroad here.
Okay, here's the plan. Restock and resupply. Let's get these people out of here before anything else goes wrong. Keep their eyes open, men. Danger could be anywhere.
All right, boys, you heard the Colonel. Gather up anything we can use and get it on the train. I don't want to be here any longer than we have to, so let's make this quick. Got it? Sky, Grip, get inside. See if you can find the welcoming committee. Hart, Brooks, you're out here with me. Set up a perimeter and keep an eye on those tree lines. I don't want anything sneaking out of those woods at us. Something doesn't feel right. It's too quiet. What is it, Grip? What? How many bodies we got? 0. That's gonna be a problem. What? Oh, it's running, so someone's probably in it. See if you can get them on the horn. If they start speaking English, it's one of ours. If not, we'll figure it out. Form up. Open fire. Get back to your strike one. Get back to civilian.
He's back there in the tank. Get back to the tank. We must get these hostages out of reach.
Listen, conductor. We gotta go.
Is everyone okay? Does anyone see what's happened to Peppercorn?
Sit down!
So up at the top of the hill is a carnival area where there's lots of different rides, carousels, there's many different things, and some food as well. Arcade area as well. Alright, so they have a haunted house here, and there's also a haunted trail down there. Really, we're kind of looking forward to doing this, but we didn't get here early enough. It's raining, and supposedly the train ride, which we did, is the scariest thing. I don't know if that's true, but I did want to show that to you guys. Okay, I believe the boneyard is where the haunted trail is, and you just go this way through this lit area. They said it goes pretty quick, so we're gonna go do the haunted trail. Try to give you guys a couple snippets, just so you know. You may wonder why I didn't have much of the train ride in the video. I don't want to ruin it for you guys. The point is to come out here and experience it yourself. So, with that said, you'll just get a little snippet here and there of some things, and then we are off an hour-and-a-half drive back to our hotel before we head home tomorrow. All right, we are about to enter the haunted trail. The official name is the Freaky Forest. Tell where I'm walking.